Okay, let's learn. Um, this clip is actually one of the live sessions that I did have during the time of the pandemic. So let's see how this works. This is a two-point perspective of an interior. Kung di ako nagkakamali dito, ang balak naming banatan ay isang parang kwarto at is shown in the lower portion. Kaya ako naglagay ng bagong audio clip dito kasi originally meron dito crack-crackan na background, which is typically Creed, Nirvana, and other alternative bands during the 90s. So ayaw nating ma-flag bale. So explain natin itong ginagawa natin. So the method that has been used here is 3PA or 3-point alignment method. For those of the students who are tuning in the live sessions during the time of the pandemic. So, in-explain ko to pare. So, a 3PA is a technique by which a student or a practitioner can easily draw perspectives without any use of guidelines. So, kung makikita mo dito, ang ginagawa ko na is the drafting tables and probably side compartments for blueprints. Tapos, minimimik din natin yung mga nakapost sa wall. And of course, the users for the space are musicians. Ito ang ating bed. We started with simple frames.